Hello, welcome to Shop Talk. Today we're going to look at a Stihl 038. This one was made in 1980. This is the 6160 3.7 cubic inch motor, and this one features a 28-inch bar and chain. And that's a Stihl branded bar, sprocket nose, and that's a skip tooth 50 gauge chisel chain. And we'll just look at it a little bit here. It is missing the air cleaner cover. I don't have one, so you'll have to pick one up if you want to put a cover on it. It's got that wrap panel bar that everybody likes out here. Adjustable oiler right here. It's got the double falling spikes. That muffler's taken a limb at one time and bent it up there, but it still works good. And it does run good. We'll go out the log deck now and make a couple cuts.